Hello, welcome back to this video. So in previous video, I have shown you and shared with you why I rarely use Aux Fed subwoofer method in most of my installation. It's because of the crossover point shift and the phase shift. But today I will be showing you in certain scenario, it is okay to use this Aux Fed method if the system is properly tuned. So let me show you in the smart. So similarly, we are using the same sample of frequency response. We have the full range speakers and we have the subwoofer speaker. So let's not go crazy this time like the previous time. Okay, let's add 12 dB to my subwoofers. The Aux Fed method enable us to increase the volume for the subwoofer or decrease the volume for the subwoofer with a single fader. So let's add 12 dB to my subwoofer. So we have now 12 dB increase on the subwoofers, and we have a switch of a crossover point from 82 Hz to around, this is around 100, here is 100, this is around 105, and this is about 110. So we have around the crossover point is around this area. And if we have a look on the phase, okay, up here along these frequencies, we have in phase for the top and the subwoofers. So it's still okay for us to increase the bass or the subwoofer by 12 dB. Okay, how about we decrease the volume of the subwoofers? So let's take an example, -9. So we have a -9 dB in subwoofers volume, and the crossover point now is moved to around, what is this? This is about 70 Hz. This is about 68 Hz. So it's about 68 to 70 Hz. And if you have a look on the phase, it's still aligned between both top and the subwoofer. So it's still okay if the users is moving between the -9 dB to +12 dB. All these increases and decreases are in phase, unless they go crazy like previously, we go to +20 dB. So that is a crazy example. Or maybe we can lower till we cannot see anymore. This is about 60 Hz. So it's not perfectly aligned, but it's still, I think, in a reasonable margin. So there you have it. If the system is properly tuned, the crossover filters is properly tuned, then it enables us to have a proper Aux Fed subwoofer method in our installation. So that's it. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.